Hi readers, happy Tuesday. We will be live tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday, depending on what class period I have you, at 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. Fourth hour will be at 10, fifth hour with Miss Hauser will be at 5. Like always, office hours every day from 2:40 to 4. Oh, and actually this has to change because Fridays, office hours are actually now from 11:30 to 12:50, so I will change that. So when we're talking and looking at our learner targets for today, I can bring my story to life by making vivid mental movies in my mind. So we're going to talk about what that can look like. And so that's the plan for today. And there's a couple different ways. Um, but really what one important thing that readers do is that when readers read, they make movies in their mind. It's kind of like a secret. So sometimes if your parents aren't allowing you to watch TV or watch your favorite movies, then I would go grab a book and read that instead. So for right now, what I want you to do for just a second is to close your eyes and think of a bus. Okay, so you probably hopefully thought of a bus for a moment. Did you think of this bus? What about any of these buses? You probably most likely thought of this bus right here, like a normal yellow school bus. But one of the beautiful things about reading is that there's different ways that we can visualize things. If we were in London, maybe you would visualize this kind of bus. It kind of gives me like Harry Potter vibes, to be honest. And if you maybe have been on a mega bus before, like I have taken mega buses to Chicago, um, it could be that bus. Or if you've traveled like across country via bus. I've never seen a bus like this cool turquoise, but hey, it could happen. So today what I want us to think about, and when we're talking about bringing our stories and characters to life, one thing is that we can act out. But the other thing is that we can make actual movies in our mind and use context details to picture this scene and adjust the movie as we get more information. You're thinking of it as like step by step. So I want to read a passage really quick, and I will afterwards explain like the thoughts I have as I'm thinking of this and reading this and thinking of my mental movie that is taking place. Papa learned this hospitality thing growing up in home, in which there was never much, but always enough to share with your neighbors and friends if they needed it. I found he practiced the same sort of hospitality in his writing, extending an invitation to the writer that said, no matter what harrowing or amazing tale you will experience in this book, know you are welcome here. Let me share with you what I have, and we will enjoy the sharing together. So already I'm thinking of the Papa, the dad character, as someone who's like a very smiley and warm personality, someone that's always welcoming others into his home. And even if, like, I always think of it as like when I was a kid and I was able to go over to friends' homes when COVID wasn't a thing. And like, it was always like impolite to go to other people's fridges and just like go look around and what they had. But like, knowing that when I did get to go hang out with friends and they would offer like their favorite snacks or like popcorn or candy, so something that maybe they were saving for that time I got to come over. It always just made you feel really special. And not in the way that like you felt bad about asking for it, but knowing that they wanted to share it with you. So that's one way. And I think of that as like in food. I think of that in like maybe getting the comfy chair at your friend's house or the nice fuzzy blanket or whatever it may be. So today, readers, what I want you to do is to submit to Schoology a brief description of the mental movie that from the book you're reading and what that looks like. If you have any questions, be sure to come to office hours. Bye.